Clean break this time. Today Frederick got away well, so did Sanaya Frederick. SHANOYA Douglas is pouring through the field of Jamaica. SHANOYA Douglas, Tony on the inside, snatches silver. Douglas gets the job done.
New school, new level. From Machette to Holland High, SHANOYA Douglas is on the champs' radar.
Hi, my name is SHANOYA Douglas. I'm a Class 1 athlete. I attend Holland High School. My events are 100 meter, 200 meter, and the 400 meters. I like that Holland is not a shift school. I like the fact that we have a full 400 meter field that is always marked and cut, and they always make it a point of their duty that we are comfortable when we get what we need at all the time. Going into class, when I realized that I have to drop my socks, my mindset has to change from the mindset that I had last year. I had to be more focused, be always race ready, which I always am, but in that it is after ready like on the spot, right? And put my 110% in every race, and I can't slack off.
When Hurricane Melissa struck Jamaica, schools across the island were forced to close as safety took priority. Flooded tracks, damaged fields, and unsafe facilities brought track and field training to a halt, disrupting preparation for the season. Coaches adjusted, athletes adapted, and when the waters receded, training resumed with renewed determination. Hurricane Melissa tested Jamaica's schools and its athletes, but neither stopped moving forward.
My mom lost her house because she lives in Westmoreland, so I guess that was a tool because I'm comforting my mom. During the hurricane, I also suffered too because it wanted to go with my roof too. But I am lucky it didn't. It just lifted a little bit, but it's still intact. And it was really hard going back to training, knowing that when the rain falls, my roof leaks and my mom is without a house and stuff like that. But having faith and believing that there's always a way out because we walk with God was a big factor in me getting up and coming to training. I didn't make the hurricane affect me that much. It did affect me a little bit, but not much, because I had to remind myself that I can't make my circumstances define who I am, and I have to push forward at all times. So I was like, you gotta get up and you have to come and finish what you start. Training for champs has been hard. Nothing is easy. My devotion for wins has been my main focus because I like to win a lot. I think I've been improving every week because that's what it should be. You drop the time week by until I need to peak or run a fast time. Everybody having eyes on me is the craziest part of it. I find it kind of weird, but it's like truly not the same time, because I'm wondering, how are you gonna just get up every day and just say, oh, I'll come beat me? So it's weird. But at the end of the day, it don't really bothers me, because I'm going to say, I remember last year saying that I want more competition. Now I'm getting the competition, so I can't complain because I get up and I pray for it. Now I'm getting it, so I can't complain. I have to continue, work hard and push. I am coming to win, to dominate Class 1 as always. I don't know yet. This Class 1 is a new school. Everything is new. I don't know yet.
From a bold move to a breakthrough moment, SHANOYA Douglas has shown she's ready for the big stage. Now, with the season building and expectations rising, all eyes turn to what comes next. As the gun goes off at this year's ISA Boys and Girls Championships, one thing is certain: SHANOYA Douglas will be one to watch.